Hi guys, so welcome back to our 365 days Canva Design Challenge, and today is our day number 15. So it's pretty exciting because now we're going into the fun part of using Canva. So today our topic is about how to create your YouTube intro using Canva. So I know you're pretty shocked maybe because Canva is known for photo editing, but it's a pretty new thing. It's a new thing in the Canva that people actually edit videos here. So if you want to have fun with me in editing today, let's go to my screen. So this is what I created earlier, which is a sample of a YouTube intro. So as you can see, it's animated, but there are a lot of ways as well to create YouTube intro. You can also add your videos here. As you can see, we have videos here. Um, once you upload your video, you can actually embed them to your design as well. But today we're gonna maximize the elements of Canva and use them in order to create an intro. So first, of course, you would need to open a file that is in the size of a YouTube video. I believe it's 69 ratio. So let's say, for example, this is your video already. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, let's resize it so that we can create another design. So there you go. So here's our copy so that we can navigate everything. So I will just remove everything first so that we can actually start from scratch. Okay. Okay, there you go. So you can find office, cartoonized office here. So I'll select this one so you can see them here. We also have this one, so you can just include there, so you can arrange them actually to however you want this to look like. So we also have available um, office tables like this. Like, imagine you don't even need to be an illustrator to create this one. So that's a sample. Okay, there. So earlier I've chosen what I'm going to use. So this one is what I've um, chosen. So let me remove that since I've already taught you how to find it. So let me ungroup this first. So I didn't have this coffee, animated coffee, and the girl sitting on the chair. But while I'm editing, I've added that here so that it would look like that I am the one sitting on my on my living room having coffee and actually working at home. So let's add girl with laptop. Okay, so you can see a lot of samples here. So this is mine. So since she doesn't have a crossed legs, I just found another element that I can use. So let's say I'm gonna duplicate this so I can get the elements that I used in this one. Okay. So since this element is not full, all we need to do is search for another element that has a cross legs sitting down. So This one, what I did was I just cropped this up and then add it under this woman. So if I'm gonna crop that again, and then we can add that here, and then can position that back, and then it looks like it's her legs there. And then what I also did was I added a waving coffee here because that's what I have when I'm working. So you can just search here coffee animation. So when you go here and go in this graphics side, you'll see here there's a lot of animated coffee, and this is what I used there and just added that to the table. Okay, so the next thing that you will do is duplicate the same setting there, and you can move this one. So I'm gonna lock this one. Okay, so what you could do is group these elements there and group them so that when the animations comes in, they are all together, and especially that this woman is separated from the background. So all you have to do is group them, and then make sure to duplicate this, and there you go. You can move that here so that on the next slide, the animation would go from center to your right side. So there, you can now add your welcome to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. You can search this welcome animation. There's a lot. So every time you wanted to add a moving elements, all you have to do is add animation, the word animation, the word moving, and the word effects or stickers. So there, you can find this moving welcome. So you can add that to your design here. And then yeah, you can add that here, and then you can add the word to my channel. Okay, copy that here, and then after that you're gonna create another design. On another slide, what you're gonna feature is another settings, which is video tutorial, for example here. So what I did here is I still use this woman here, and then I added a square element down here and computer animation. All you have to do is look for what fits to your slide. So there, you can see moving computers. So here I also added this moving arrows. So if you go here in the element section, you can just add arrow animation. Then go to graphics. There you go. You can find a lot of moving arrows there. Okay. And it could be pointing to something or the words that you want the audience to read. Let's just say, for example, this one, I would want them to read video tutorials. And on the next slide, it's the same, but I'm going to copy this slide. But this time, I say earn money online. So I added this earn money online here, and I added some flying dollars here. So the animation would look like it came out from the tutorial, or it came up from the computer. So you can just add here money animation. So I'm gonna go here, and there you go. You can see this one, or just like what I just used, this flying dollars there. And then I just duplicate that all over the slide. And then I'm going back to my first slide, which is this one. So as you can see here, um this is the original slide, and here what I just did is just added this one, this freelancing life, and this animations here. So now what you're gonna do is add music to your animation so that it can be a YouTube intro. So all you have to do is go to audio, and then you can choose the music that you want. So for this one, I go to YouTube intros here, but there's a lot of playlist here that you can see: happy, instrumental, so whatever fits to your edit, you can use that. So for this one, I choose the music Tie Your Laces. So there, you can hear it. I'm just gonna add it on the video. That's it for today, and I hope that you learned something for our day 15, and see you again tomorrow for another um, Canva tutorial here on our page, and wherever you may find this video. We are already on Facebook, we are on LinkedIn, and I'm also uploading this to YouTube. So yeah, wherever you may find this, I hope that you find this helpful. So see you again tomorrow for another Canva tutorial.